Hi, I'm Sammie Samaryczew. I'm from Barrington, Illinois, and I'm in my first year of the Physician Assistant Graduate Program at UW-Platteville. So there are many advantages to attending the PA program at UW-Platteville. First of all, we have a small class size of 10 students, which allows us to get to know one another better, as well as to form a close connection with our faculty. The new classrooms and facilities at Ulrich Hall have been absolutely wonderful to our program so far. So prior to the beginning of our program in May of 2023, Ulrich Hall was renovated, and here we have our lecture room where we have most of our lectures throughout the day. We also have a lounge where some of us will go and eat lunch at or play games in our downtime. We also have a clinical skills room where we practice various clinical skills, and then we also utilize several exam rooms that mimic those that you would see at a provider's office to get more hands-on practice. It feels exciting to be part of UW-Platteville's PA program. It is in partnership with UW-Madison's program and was established here in Southwest Wisconsin due to the shortage of providers. And one of the goals of the program is to have students practice through their clinical rotations and ultimately practice in the area or in another rural community. One of my favorite things so far in the program has been engaging in our clinical skills lab. Every Wednesday in the spring semester, we come into our lab space and learn different clinical skills we'll be using out in practice. So far, we've learned how to perform sterile technique, suturing, ultrasound, chest tubes, and performing lumbar punctures. And in the coming weeks, we'll also be learning how to do phlebotomy, placing IV lines, as well as casting and suturing. Another goal of mine in my career is to provide patient care experience in underserved areas. One of the ways that I plan on accomplishing this goal is by partaking in an opportunity that the program provides. There is an opportunity to go to Belize either on a 1-week service trip or a 4-week-long elective rotation. Me and 3 other students will be going on the rotation to southern Belize next April, and I couldn't be more excited about it. We'll be spending part of our time in a clinic as well as another portion of our time there going to nearby villages and providing care to those that can't travel far distances. So I'm excited to be able to gain some wisdom and knowledge from that experience and be able to impact people on a global level.